Hi everyone, my name is Freya and me and my friend Lois are going to be doing a day all about cleaning routines with you today. Your first session of the day is going to be with Lois. She's going to be doing daily routine charts. So she's going to be talking all about how important it is to have a good daily routine and how you can help out in the house cleaning. And she's going to be talking all about how to make a daily routine chart with you all. The next session is with me and we're going to be doing washing up together. So we're going to look at the washing up process and how we wash up different items in the household. Your third session is going to be with Lois and she's going to be doing sorting the washing and how to sort your washing out once it's been washed into different piles. Then finally, to finish off the day, I'm going to be doing a session about cleaning the house and why it's so important to wipe away all that dirt and all the germs and keep downstairs really tidy. So I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen and taking you with me. I hope you enjoy the day, guys, and have a lot of fun all around cleaning routines, and I will see you soon in activity 2. Enjoy your first session with Lois.